Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change app color on iPhone in iOS 26. If you are using iOS 26 on the iPhone and you want to change your app's color, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to keep a long press on any empty place on your home screen, and once your app start bubbling, you will get the edit option in the top left corner. You have to tap on that option, and then you will find the customize option. You have to simply tap on that, and from here you have to select this clear option. And once you have selected, here you can see that the app icons and the app color has been changed to clear. So this is the gloss or transparent app style which you can easily use in your iOS 26. So first of all, you have to make sure that you have updated your software. Open your settings and go for general, go for software update, and you have to make sure that your software is up to date, or if you have any update available, you have to try to update your software. So once you have updated, you can easily use this glass view or your iPhone in iOS 26. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.